Hi viewers, how are you all? Today in this video let us see how to prepare Canary melon raita. In the description column below this video, I have given the quantity of the ingredients and the method of preparation in English. You can always refer it. The ingredients which I have used are 1 canary melon cut into small pieces like this and 1 big onion cut into thin slices and 1 cup of curds and a bunch of coriander leaves. For the seasoning I have used mustard seeds, urud dhal, cumin seeds and pepper powder. You can also use 1 green chilli and salt as required. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a thick bottom kadai and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Now add half a teaspoon of urud dal and fry in low flame. After the urud dal is well fried, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and fry them also. Now add the finely cut onions and green chilli and fry them well. Maintain the heat in medium. Fry till the onions become translucent. While the onions are getting fried, add the required salt. After the onions are well fried, add the finely cut melon pieces and fry them like this. Maintain the heat in medium. Now close it with a lid and allow it to cook. The cooking time is less than 5 minutes. The melons will get cooked very easily and a slight water will start oozing out from it. Transfer it to a serving bowl and allow it to cool. Once it is cooled down, add the curd. Mix the curd well along with the melon and add the finely cut coriander leaves. After mixing the curd and the coriander leaves, the raita is ready to be served. It goes well with any rice item or chapati. If you like my videos, don't forget to comment, subscribe and share.